Hi guys, today we are going to be preparing couscous. Who know this food, couscous? Vaka don't like it, but normally I like it, and I make sure he eats what I eat. I don't cook separate food in this house. So follow me, let's go and cook couscous. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. And here is the couscous. And some of my ingredients, the veggies we are going to use, carrot and zucchini. So let's put everything together and make it for lunch. Huh?
I want this.
Is that you want the chicken? I know you will choose that. So guys, first of all, I wash my chicken wings.
Mommy,
Can have salt to eat. I'll be reducing this chicken. I don't want it. This one is okay. This is curry powder, black pepper, have onions, some salt to taste, some chicken ingredients, some oil to mix it and all. If not, you don't really need the oil. We are good to go. Straight. Put in roast and fry. Hi, Kel. I'm gonna take your food.
Okay. Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome. We are going to eat, okay? Enjoy.
Not even fishy.
Guys, this is nice. Oh my god. Delicious.